Alright, how's it going, everyone? Thanks for watching this video. This video, of course, is looking at a 5th grade lesson on classifying quadrilaterals. Do note that at any point in time, you may pause this video to copy down any information, also to solve any of the questions that are asked. Here we have, of course, NC 5G3, which is a North Carolina Common Core standard, classifying quadrilaterals into categories based on their properties. As well, we have an I can statement. Some things we need to familiarize ourselves with. We have vocabulary words, which are needed. A polygon, which is a closed plane figure formed from line segments that meet only at their endpoints. Quadrilaterals, which is a four-sided polygon. A rectangle, which is a quadrilateral with two pairs of equal parallel sides and four right angles. We have a rhombus, which is a parallelogram with all four sides equal in length. We have a square, a parallelogram with four equal sides and four right angles. And parallelograms, which of course is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel and congruent sides. That being said, we need to know two other words, parallel and congruent, and what they are. And parallel simply meaning the same distance apart and they never touch. And congruent, the same size and shape, which also means that they're equal. Taking a look now at different types of quadrilaterals. Now, knowing what a quadrilateral is, quad meaning four, that then means it is a shape that has four sides and four angles. So some types of quadrilaterals are as follows: a rectangle, a square, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a trapezoid, as well as a kite. What we're going to focus on today is looking at a parallelogram. Here, of course, you see certain letters, A, and they definitely look diagonal across each other, and we see another letter B, they're diagonally across each other. So knowing what a parallelogram is, a parallelogram has opposite sides that are parallel each other and they equal in length. They also have equal opposite angles. So one angle A would be equal to the opposite side, angle A. Angle B would also be the same as the opposite angle B. So again, repeating that, angles A, they are the same. Angles B, they would be the same. And here we see those angles inside of a parallelogram. So now is an opportunity for you to pause this video and think about which of these two shapes would be a parallelogram and why. All right, hopefully you were able to pause the video and take some time to figure this out, whether writing it down or thinking it in your head. But if you suggested that the shape colored red is a parallelogram, you are therefore correct. That is a parallelogram because there are two angles opposite each other and they are equal in length. Here's another one for you where you can pause your video right now. Think of this. Which one of these would be a parallelogram and why? So take a look. The first shape, of course, being a rectangle. The other shape being a square. So which then would be a parallelogram and why would it be? If you chose the first one, you are correct. If you chose the second one, you are also correct because both are parallelograms. And the reason for that is both of those shapes have two angles that are opposite each other and are equal length.